Hi everyone, welcome to React Interview Series episode 5. In this episode, we are going to know the interview question related to event propagation. Basically, let's say you are given this logic here. So basically, there is a app component and its child is toolbar component, and toolbar child component is button component, right? And we are passing this function to toolbar and then from toolbar to button on click. So here interviewer basically asks, show me the example of event propagation. So basically you have to twist a little bit code to show him. So how you will show him uh, with the help of this logic, how event will get propagated from this button to toolbar and from toolbar to parent component. So take a second and think about that. Okay, so basically for that, what I will do, I will try to create an event handler on this on this div tag. So what I will do, I will add on click event, and I will try to alert that you clicked on the toolbar. Okay, now let me refresh the browser. So when I click on this play movie, you can see playing alert playing is showing, right? This one alert. I click on OK. Again, you clicked on the toolbar, right? So what is happening under the hood is, first of all, we clicked on this button. Okay. So it is alerting, calling this on play movie function and alerting playing, right? Now since in javascript event is propagated from child to parent by default, so it comes when it complete the event of this button, it moved to parent component. So that is this one. So here it checks there is on click event handler, right? So it also get triggered, and you see at the end you clicked on the toolbar, alert message appeared after clicking on this button as well. So there are two alert pop-up shown when we click on this button, either this or this. Okay, so now the next question arises like, now the next question is like, let's say instead of button, if we give div, right? Let's say here we are clicking on button. So why button? Why don't we use div tag here and add on click on that div tag? Why is it necessary to use button? So the reason is that actually to handle click we have to use button instead of div, because using real browser button enables built-in browser behaviors like keyboard navigation. So basically when we use button, so it is easier to use browser built-in feature like keyboard navigation. But in case we use div here, so we can't fully use the browser feature, built-in feature. And anyway, if you don't want button, you want to just modify the style or something, you can easily do that with the help of css. You can easily achieve, uh, we can convert this button as like div or link or anything, right, with the help of css. Okay, so this was the second question. And the third question is like, let's say now you have propagated the event, right? And now you want to interview us how to stop that propagation. How could you achieve that? Can you please write the logic? So take few seconds and think about that. Okay, so how you can stop this event propagation from happening? So basically, there is something called event.stop propagation function. So we can, what we can do, instead of here on click, we can remove this. Okay, and we can add on click handler. Basically it gets event as argument, and on that object we can apply the function stop propagation. Then we can add our on click event, right? So basically what it do, when we click on this button, so this alert will happen, right, on play movie this playing. But it does not, since we have used stop propagation, so it is not let to move up, right? So this div, the parent div of this button, does not get invoked. Let's see the example. I mean, let me click on this button. So I have clicked on play movie. So that it is printing playing, and I click on OK. Look now, this alert is not getting triggered because we have used this feature called event.stop propagation. So now that is not appearing. And one more question, I mean, most of the interviewer ask, right? I mean, preventing the default behavior, right? In most of the cases, you might have seen. Uh, Let me show you with the help of example. I will remove this. What I will do? Okay. So, so I have created a form, okay, and basically I have used a prevent default, use alert input this button form. So what is wrong here? I think there is some issue, curly braces. Mm, hmm. So maybe I think this is duplicated. Okay, now it is fine. Hmm. So when I click on this, let me first remove it. Okay. So now I'm clicking on the send. It is showing submitting. And when I click on OK, look, when I click on send, then I click on OK. Look, it is getting the whole page is getting reloaded, right? But we don't want DOM to update all the nodes, right? So in that case, what we do, the interview asks to resolve this. So basically, we use this event.prevent default. When you use this, so the whole page is not get reloaded. Only it prevents the default browser behavior for the few events that have it. Okay, and event.stop propagation basically stops the event handlers attached to the tags above from firing. So actually, when we click on any button, the default behavior of browser is like it reload the page. So to avoid that, we use this event.prevent default. And when I click on it, look, now the page is not getting reloaded. So these are the questions which is normally asked in the interview related to the event. Hope you like this video. If you liked, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.